when receiving your Hibur snap button punch, inside the case you will find the tool itself. The tool is made of a high quality magnesium cast alloy. You'll also find two sets of dies. One set of die consists of two parts. A bottom part and a top part. This part you will use to punch the top part of your button. As you can see, there is an O-ring attached at the bottom to ensure a secure fit, which allows the button to stay in place, or the die to stay in place. This will be the top part of the die. Fits in easily. As you can see, it will not move out while working with it. Top part of your button will be inserted into the rubber insertion. Oops. And it will go nowhere. This will be the bottom part of your button. That's the correct one. You'll feel a slight snap as it fits into place. Take your material, put it in between the two dies and the two halves of your snap button. Press down and gently squeeze. Very secure. Second step would be to use the bottom half, or to insert the bottom half of your snap button. Here is the bottom part of your die, the top part of your die. Remove the first die, easily to be removed, and insert the second half, or the bottom half. As you can see, it's quite easy to fit in. Like this. Then the top part will snap in with a gentle snap. Oops. As you can see, it will stay in place. Find the area where you would like to insert the button. Press down and gently squeeze. Right. Here it is.